Good morning. Today at Muscle Car Garage we're featuring this 1970 Nova SS. This Nova is custom Nova. It's got a 454 big block, MSD ignition, vintage air system, power brakes, aluminum radiator. This car was done right. It's got a custom paint job. Looking inside, it's got a ratchet shifter, automatic transmission, custom interior, custom gauges. A lot of money was put into this beautiful 1970 Nova. If you look at the paint on it is in perfect condition. The vinyl top is also in really nice condition. It's got custom American racing wheels. Just a beautiful car all the way around. Check out the dual exhaust in the back. Dom, take a line right down the side. Nice laser straight body. Just a beautiful car. Now we're going to start this engine so they can hear it. How's that sound? Only at Muscle Car Garage.